Apples are a great source of nutrition and offer multiple health benefits. They are rich in antioxidants like quercetin, catechin, and vitamin C, which help reduce inflammation in the body and reduce oxidative damage in your cells. Eating apples every day can help lower your risk for cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. Apples are also high in fiber, which can aid with weight loss and digestive health. In addition to these benefits, eating an apple every day can also improve brain health by increasing acetylcholine in your brain. Apples can also help reduce your risk of dementia, stroke, and diabetes. So go ahead and enjoy an apple every day. You should eat 2 to 3 servings of fruit per day, and 1 or 2 of those can be apples. You can eat up to 1 to 3 apples per day for a healthy diet. Eating more apples can cause bowel discomfort from eating too much fiber, especially if you aren't used to eating enough fiber, like many adults. You could also experience blood sugar spikes and crashes, especially if you eat a few apples at once, which could lead to irritability. So, it's recommended to eat 1 to 2 apples each day without any issues.